In the world of philosophy, war strategies, and personal growth, the name Miyamoto Musashi shines bright as a go-to for inspiration. This guy was legendary. He was a samurai, an ace strategist, and a darn good artist. But more than his life, it's his wisdom that's really stood the test of time. We've got a goldmine of motivational quotes from Musashi that can really help shape who we are and steer us in our life's journey. Musashi's wisdom revealed in his quotes inspires us to keep improving ourselves, be flexible, and continue being determined. Getting to understand Miyamoto Musashi's deep insights introduces us to a valuable guide on how to grow our personality, enhance our skills, and tackle life's curves. Hey there, folks! Welcome back to the Stoic Life. In this video, let Musashi's words guide you towards honing your character, facing challenges head-on, and embracing the path of continuous self-improvement. Before we start, please like the video, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Do nothing that is of no use. Musashi's philosophy has a deep impact on how we build our character and approach life. In simple terms, it's all about being intentional and purposeful in everything we do. He encourages us to think hard about our decisions and to engage only in activities that help us grow and reach our goals. It suggests we need a disciplined and focused outlook on life. It highlights the need to be mindful and efficient in all walks of life. Following this principle helps cut out the noise, focus on what's essential, and build strong character based on genuine intention, not just doing things for the sake of it. In a nutshell, Musashi's words act as a constant reminder to reflect on our actions. Make sure what we do is in line with our goals and values, helping shape our character to be more purposeful and impactful. You can only fight the way you practice. Just like how a warrior's success in the battlefield depends on the quality of their training, our personality is also shaped by the choices we make every day. What this means is that constant effort and deliberate practice matter a lot in sharpening our skills and boosting our virtues. This goes for martial arts, personal growth, and pretty much everything else. What we do now will shape our future. Committing ourselves to purposeful practice, constantly improving, and nourishing good values helps us to not only deal with challenges more effectively, it also shapes our character, helping us become more resilient, determined, and exceptional in all parts of life. It is difficult to understand the universe if you only study one planet. Musashi, a renowned Japanese swordsman and philosopher, suggests that limiting oneself to a singular viewpoint or area of expertise impedes the attainment of comprehensive wisdom. Just as studying only one planet cannot lead to a complete understanding of the vast cosmos, confining one's learning and experiences to a single domain hinders the development of a well-rounded character. Musashi advocates for curiosity, exploration, and a willingness to embrace diverse perspectives to gain a deeper understanding of the world and oneself. If you wish to control others, you must first control yourself. This idea basically says that if you want to have a real influence or authority over others, you've got to start with controlling yourself. It's all about self-discipline and self-awareness. In more casual speech, if you get yourself sorted out, you're more credible. People will listen to you, maybe even be inspired by you. So, if your goal is to inspire others, you need to build a solid character and really hone in on your self-control. Basically, you've got to get your own act together before you can help others get their acts together. It's a timeless gem, and it's definitely a key part of leadership and character growth. Perceive that which cannot be seen with the eye. Basically tells us that real knowledge isn't just about seeing what's right in front of us. It's more about tuning into our gut feelings, using our inside knowledge, and sharpening our ability to pick up on things not so clear at first glance. It's really encouraging us to build up our sixth sense, to believe in our hunches, and to chase down a deeper kind of understanding in every aspect of life. This quote nudges us to look beyond the basics and keep an ear out for those small shifts that can lead us to smarter choices and big wins. Respect Buddha and the gods without counting on their help. Essentially, this is all about standing on your own 2 feet and finding strength within yourself. It's all about accepting that you, and only you, are in control of your life choices. Sure, Musashi believes that having respect and acknowledgement for higher powers is important, but he doesn't think we should sit around hoping they'll reach down and sort out our problems. In his view, we should actually be focusing on our own merits, our own bounce-back ability to handle anything life throws at us. It's about our grit, our tenacity, and how we can use that to overcome what's put in our way. At the same time, there's this respect for what's divine, while also fine-tuning our inner resolve and strength. We learn to lean into our discipline, our sense of mortality, and shape where we want to be in life through continuous self-refinement, mastery over ourselves. Do not regret what you have done. This way of thinking really helps us realize that all our choices, good or bad, are part of our life journey. No need to stay hung up on the past. This attitude is actually more about understanding ourselves better and always striving to be the best we can. Don't let any regrets pin you down. Instead, we can grow tougher, learn valuable lessons from our slip-ups, and shape a tougher character. Never be jealous. In essence, this tells us about how jealousy can really mess with our life and growth. Jealousy can quickly eat up mental and emotional resources, leaving behind frustration, bitterness, and thinking negatively. If you follow this advice, it prompts you to focus on improving yourself, rather than comparing yourself with everyone else. This change of thinking can significantly boost your self-confidence, satisfaction, and gives you a real sense of achievement. In battle, if you make your opponent flinch, you have already won. This emphasizes how important mental toughness and being emotionally strong are. Musashi is basically rooting for the idea that the way you carry yourself can really make a difference. By throwing off your opposition, you get a psychological edge, messing with their determination and decision-making process. To put it simply, it reminds us that being confident and having inner fortitude is crucial. When things get tough, or when you're not sure what's coming next, keeping your cool and showing you're confident can tip the odds in your favor. Just like in a battle, when your opponent flinches, it shows they believe they are vulnerable. The same goes for life too. If you project determination, it can open up the path to success. It allows you to take on any challenges with grace and can make you come out on top even before the actual face-off begins. Remember that Musashi's quotes reflect his perspective as a warrior and philosopher. His teachings emphasize the importance of self-discipline, continuous self-improvement, and understanding the world deeply. Applying these principles to your life can help you build a strong and resilient character. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.